there. So this video was well awaited, you guys. I get so many comments about my filming setup, and today I'm going to be giving you guys the scoop. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. So as you guys know, here on my channel I create absolutely free entrepreneur videos showing you guys how to grow and excel your online business, whether you're a business owner or you're just a YouTuber, an influencer. You're a business too. Yep. Okay guys, so we are starting this video off with the star of the party, which is the thing that I am speaking into right now. It is the Canon EOS 5D Mark V. That is the camera that I am filming with right now. When I bought the camera, it was more expensive. It's cheaper now. The thing I don't like about this camera is that it doesn't have a flip out screen, which is absolutely okay because I actually have a TV screen. So this is the screen that I'm using. I hope there's not like a crazy light reflect, but this is the screen. Everyone loves the screen. Every time I film, that's like the main question I get. What screen is this? So this is the screen that I got from Amazon. It does turn so I can record for like Instagram or like YouTube Shorts. So that's a plus for that. So this is that screen on Amazon. Of course, everything is going to be linked in the description, but this is how it looks. This is the posting, this is the seller. Also, we cannot forget the lens that I use. I use a 24 to 70 millimeter lens. And here is a exact picture or posting of my camera lens. If you guys are interested in purchasing it, you guys can definitely grab one because this lens is amazing. I get a lot of compliments on my quality. So the camera and the lens together plays a huge part in how my quality looks. Okay, so moving on to this microphone, which I've been getting a lot of questions about lately because it is new. So this is a microphone that I got from Amazon, and if you have a MacBook, then you are going to need a adapter because it comes with a regular USB plug. A lot of people actually don't know how to work this mic. It does not plug into your camera. It does not plug into your phone. It goes into your computer, and then I record the audio separate using QuickTime. Is it QuickTime? Yeah, QuickTime. So I record the audio separate using QuickTime Player, and then I just have to sync it up once I'm editing. Yes, it's more work, but it's definitely worth it. This is exactly what the microphone looks like on Amazon. So if you guys want to grab it, go ahead and grab it. I love that it has the LED lights on it. It's super cute. Even though I wish it stayed pink, but it's a cute thing to have. This is the exact ring light that I use for my videos. I always use this ring light. Sometimes it breaks, like I'll drop it or the kids will drop it, but I'll always get the same ring light. So this is my holy grail ring light. So now for my extra lighting, you guys, I use a lot of lighting, okay? So it's nighttime right now. Like you guys probably can't even tell that, but it's nighttime, and I have my ring light. I have a light here on this side, and then I have a light here. I use these lights. They are battery powered if you want them to be, but I just choose to plug them in because it's easier for me. I don't always remember to charge my camera batteries, and I believe it takes the same, does it take the same battery? I don't know. I'm not good with remembering to charge batteries, so just to plug it in, that's good for me. On top of that light, I also use other light panels, which these are actually my favorite, not so much the one that I showed you, and they look like this. Okay, so here are the lights that I love. These panels, you guys, I'm absolutely obsessed with them. So these panels and my ring light I literally love, so I'm definitely going to recommend these to you guys if you want to add them to your setup. They're definitely a great thing to have. Guys, that's all that I have.
That's it? That's it?
You know, I have like the little plugs that I need to plug this monitor into my camera, and that's literally it. You guys, I feel like my setup is pretty easy. Before I had like shadow boxes and boom boxes and backlights and stuff like that, but now I just kind of like compressed my filming setup to make it easier. So again, everything is going to be linked if you guys are interested. If you guys want this backdrop setup, I have a separate video which I'm going to link up here for you guys. I'll also link it in the description. So if you're interested in getting this backdrop, then I already have a video for that. This video is more for my entire YouTube filming setup as you guys asked. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. That is my YouTube filming setup. Let me know what you guys think. I know it's the camera you're after because this quality is delicious. A1. So guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time guys, peace and much love. Bye guys.